Hi, this is Larry. I'm going to help you sort out all these different probability options. We want to know the probability that yellow wins the second round, which means yellow is the color chosen in the second round. There are three ways that this can happen. One is red is chosen in the first round, yellow is chosen in the second. Also, green is chosen in the first and yellow in the second. Orange is chosen in the first, yellow in the second. The one that's not possible is yellow chosen in the first and in the second, because according to the rules, if yellow is chosen first, then the four other marbles are also removed from the bag, and there are no yellow marbles present in the second drawing. So it's not going to happen that yellow wins the second round in that case. But these are the three possibilities. We're actually going to work out the probability of each of these things happening, and we'll get to our final answer that way. So the probability that red is chosen in the first round is 10 out of 50, 1 out of 5. And when that happens, when red is chosen in the first round, there are 40 marbles left, and 5 of them are yellow. So 5 out of 40 is 1 out of 8. The conditional probability title of this is that the probability that there is a red and then a yellow is equal to the probability of yellow given red, which is 1 out of 8, times the probability that red comes up. So, in fact, the probability that this option happens is 1/5 times 1/8, which is 1/40th. So this way has a 1 out of 40 chance of happening. Let's look at the green. Now green, there are 15 green marbles, so it's 15 out of 50 is 3 out of 10. The probability that a green marble gets chosen. Now all the greens are gone. So there are 35 other marbles, 15, 35, yeah, and 5 of them are yellow. So 5 out of 35 is the probability that yellow will get chosen, which is 1 out of 7. So the probability that these both will happen is 3 out of 70. All right, now orange, yellow. Orange, there are 20 orange, so 20 out of 50, 2 out of 5 is the probability that an orange gets chosen first. And when that happens, then all 20 oranges are gone. And all we have left is the yellow, red, and green. And there are only 30 marbles left, and 5 of them are yellow. So it's 1 out of 6. And the probability that both things happen, the probability of orange and yellow in sequence, is the probability of yellow given orange, yellow for the second given that orange is the first, which is 1 out of 6, times the probability that orange is the first one, which is 2 out of 5. So this is 2 out of 30, which is 1 out of 15. So these three added up are the answer of the probability that yellow wins the second round. I'll let you fuss with those, whether you want to put them in decimals and add them up, or, Lord forbid, find a common denominator. But those are the three ways that yellow wins the second round. And the probability of the first one is 1 out of 40. The probability of the second one is 3 out of 70. And the probability of the third is 1 out of 15. So the probability of yellow happening is those three added together. And there you go. I'm going to follow this question. If you have a question or a comment, or you think I made a mistake, please leave a comment here and I will see it. Thanks a lot.